Passive hip swivels. Start by sitting on the floor with your knees bent in front of you and swiveling your hips into the 90-90 position. On the knee that's internally rotating, try not to lift your bum off the floor as you swivel. Next, you're going to go into a full upright 90-90 position. From here, try to lean forward and hinging at the hip, thinking about getting your belly button down towards your thigh. You can reach up here using your hands. Think of lengthening your spine as you lean forward, and then swap sides. Upright 90, navel down to the inner thigh, arms overhead, and use your fingers here to reach as far forward as possible. Try and take nice big in breaths and out breaths as you're in the final position to relax into the stretch.